I'm in the bathroom getting ready for the day, and if you have a lot of hair like me, it is really hard to get these straighteners through all the hair. So one of the tricks that I do is, these clips are really probably for my younger daughters, but I love grabbing them and using them. I just kind of take half of the hair, get it up out of the way, and then I can straighten the underlayer of my hair very easily, do everything I need to do, and then release it and continue to do the top hair. It holds so well. I have these clips from Monalisa. They come in all different colors. I love them for my daughters because I can do a lot of different versatile hairstyles with them. But I also love them for me because it really helps increase the speed of my getting ready in the morning by me being able to just take small amounts of hair, get it out of the way, do the undersides, and then come back on the top. I also occasionally like to wear them out for like a holiday hairdo, updo, and I like that the matte finish is versatile with the carbon black, the wineish red, that khaki green, and kind of an indigo purple. The crisp metal springs have held well for my hair no matter which kind of hairstyle I've decided to go with. And the durable teeth held for both me and my daughters, no matter what we're doing, whether they're doing a half up, half down, or I'm just trying to get my hair out of my dang face. These have been a non-slip and durable solution for us, and if you're looking for clips, I recommend checking these out.